Hello, Clarzo Army. Welcome back. In this video, I will give you most popular CC pack for football edits. This pack contains 4 CC, so without wasting time, let's start the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.